this is an experience that I passed on my school on the championship of all the school of soccer. My team was on 4th grade, and we have to play with the 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. We never lose. My grade was 4th. We never lose a game. We draw someone, but on the last game we have to play with my partners of 6th grade. And on this last game, we are on. There is 5 minutes to finish the game, and I play on the left side of the court, and I scored the goal that give us the championship. So that's an experience, and that's for me one of the most important things that I pass on school, because the people I was very happy when I do it, and we are like the small kids from the other, because we are in 4th grade and we have to play with all the biggest. And since I passed that, we have a meeting 2 weeks ago with all my friends and with the different promotions of my school, and we talking about that goal, and I was very happy because it passed like 9 years, and people always remember that. That's for me one of the most important experience that I have, and I think that all that we are here can be passed experience like that. Thank you.